Hello, friends. This is Dr. Nishant Srivastav. I am Professor of Anatomy and Physiology in Technocrat Institute of Nursing. I will teach you anatomy and physiology. So today's topic is skeleton system. As you know about the skeleton system is a basic infrastructure of our body. It is mostly made up by the bones. So the skeleton system is your body support structure. It gives your body its shape, allow movements, makes blood cells, provides protection for your organs, and store minerals. The skeleton system is also called the musculoskeletal system. So this is the structure of our skeletal system. This one is the front view and this one is the back view. So overall, skeletal system has 206 bones. So what is the exactly function of the bones is? First, giving your body shape. Your skeletal system supports the weight of your body. It's also the anchor for all the tissue that connects to it. Second one is helping your moves. Your joints, connective tissue, and muscles all works together to push and pull parts of your body every time you move. Then the protection of your internal organs. The human skeleton system is like a built-in suit of armor of the organs throughout your body. Your skull protects your brain. Your ribs protect your hearts or shield your hearts and lungs also. The vertebra in your spine keep your spinal cord safe. The next one is creating new blood cells. Means bone marrow at the center of some of your bones produce new red cells and white blood cells. Your body needs to stay healthy. Not all the bones of body produce blood cells, but some bones creating new blood cells. Next is storing mineral. Bones are especially made up by the calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals. So your bone hold your body's support of important minerals like calcium and vitamin D. So thank you everyone.